No, never. We are actually big fans.
You've read the books?
Cover to cover.
Mm-hmm.
What's the year and model of the car?
It's a 1967 Chevy Impala.
What's May 2nd?
That's my, that's Sam's birthday.
January 24th, Dean's.
Sam's score on the LSAT?
174.
Dean's favorite song?
It's a tie. Between Zepp's Ramblin' On and Travelin' Riverside Blues.
Okay. What do you want to know?
What's Carver Edlund's real name?
Oh, no. Sorry, I can't.
We just want to talk to him. You know, get the supernatural story in his own words.
He's very private. It's like Salinger.
Please. Like I said, we are, big fans.
Awesome. You know what? I got one too.
Wow. You are a fan.
Wow. Okay. His name's Chuck Schumer.
Hey!
I am the prophet Chuck.
You've got to be joking.
Oh, this is no joke. You see, Chuck here's got an archangel on his shoulder.